Okay, I'm about to perform a magic trick called tear and repair. Just tear and repair. Now I'm going to show you that's a paper, as you can see. As you can all see, that's a normal paper. I'm going to just flip it for you just to make sure. It's a paper. And I'm going to just tear it and restore it back, okay? I'm going to start with tearing it. A little bit here. A little bit there. And here we go. Here you go. I'm gonna just fucking Here you go. Here you go. I just made it. I just made this. Here you go. If you doubt anything, just let me know, you know? That's a normal paper. As you can see, it's like nothing else can matter. The paper is back. It's restored with a normal shape. Just a little bit fucked up because I tear it and I brought it back. Now tell me what y'all think and comment.